The landscape of legalized marijuana is rapidly changing across the United States. As of January 2019, 10 states and the District of Columbia have legalized marijuana for adult recreational use, and additional states allow for medical use. In October of 2018, Canada also went ahead with full legalization. As society moves towards greater acceptance, researchers are working to better understand how marijuana can affect our health and development. The CIPHERS project is studying how marijuana use can affect children's brain and behavior through epigenetics. Specifically, we want to know how marijuana affects men's sperm, if those effects are passed on to their children, and if any brain and behavioral problems arise in those children. Epigenetics is about how our genes are read and used in the body to create proteins and ultimately all our bodily structures. Nearly all of our cells carry the same genes, but cells in different parts of the body look different and do different things, in part because of epigenetics. Epigenetic marks are like those found on a sheet of music that tell a musician how to play the notes. Like our genes, the notes on the page stay the same, but changing the marks may lead to a faster tempo or louder sounds, ultimately creating a different version of the same song. Our health status, lived experiences, and exposures throughout life can alter epigenetic marks without changing our genes, and these alterations may be passed on to our children and possibly grandchildren. For example, studies show that being exposed to tobacco smoke, pesticides, or other environmental toxins can create epigenetic changes in men's sperm and may increase long-term health risks in children. Our project began as a small study to evaluate if marijuana changes the epigenetic marks in human sperm, and in sperm from rats given THC, the main component of marijuana that produces the high. We compared these results to those from men and rats who were not exposed to marijuana or THC. In both humans and rats, we found that many epigenetic marks in sperm had changed for those exposed. In the same study, we found that marijuana use is associated with significantly lower sperm count. Our research is preliminary, but it suggests that men thinking about having children should consider the potential impacts of marijuana use on health and fertility before starting or continuing to use the drug. We are now studying whether stopping marijuana use can reverse any of the altered epigenetic marks in sperm. We'll also study whether these and other epigenetic changes can be passed on to children, and if so, explore any potential health effects. The CIPHERS project is funded by the John Templeton Foundation and is based at the Duke University School of Medicine in Durham, North Carolina.